Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to get paid with WooCommerce. First of all guys, I will need you to open your WordPress website and then link your WooCommerce with it. So it's pretty simple. Go to your dashboard to on WordPress. So go to wordpress.com/wp admin, log in into it, go to plugins over here, add new, and from there guys, I will need you to search for plugins, WooCommerce, and from here guys, all I need you to do is install it from here. So install now and then wait a little bit and then activate it. Then go to install plugins. Make sure that it is activated by going to active. If it is, that means that you're all good and set it up to start. And then if it is not, go to inactive and search for it over here and just click on activate to activate it. When you finish with these steps, just refresh the page and you shall find these things over here. Now, to be able to actually get paid, you will have to set up some payment methods. So click here to make your payment methods. Here guys, you can just click on finish setup, and there was a problem connecting your WordPress. Your site localhost is on a private network because my website currently is on a private network. That's why I can't really do the setup. But for you guys, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is finish setup. Then it will take you to the page that you will fill. For example, which way you want to get paid. So you just choose, for example, MasterCard, Visa, etc., whatever you have. And then for each method, you will give them the account that you will receive the money in. Now, when you finish with that, you will be already finished. So all you need to do, for example, to test it out, just go to your store, go to your products, get, for example, add to cart, view cards, and then proceed to checkout. And from here, just click and place order and see if the money is actually going to come to your wallet. If it did, that means that actually worked. So yeah, guys, that's how you can actually get paid in WooCommerce. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.